You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. You can ride out all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday.
Hey there. So I just picked up Paige from school. Spent the morning doing some laundry. Lucas took a short nap, but at least he took a nap. So now I think we're gonna go get some lunch, and I have to stop at IKEA to pick up a couple things, which is never a quick and easy trip, but I really want to get it done, so I'm gonna go. And then I also want to stop at Hobby Lobby, but I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time. We'll see before I have to go pick up Roman from school. So Paige is back there. What are you watching, Paige? Huh? Too focused. I think she's watching DuckTales. So yeah, I guess we're gonna get going, and we'll see you in a little bit. Alright, so we're at IKEA, and what I'm thinking of doing is getting one of these racks here and getting hooks and putting some cute coffee mugs on it, like near my Keurig. What do you think, Paige? I think we decided to go with silver. So, what do you think, buddy? Huh? You being good? What are you doing? You silly goof. Alright, now we gotta go get a high chair. So, let's go. By the high chairs. I think I want is this red one, but I don't want it in red. No, I don't know if you get the tray separately. Let's see. Oh, say okay, then black. That's what I want, in black. But I don't know if you get the tray up here.
Look at my
Looks like it's. You got your little piglet, huh? Let's put it down so I can see it. Look how cute he is. Little piglet to go with your mommy pig. Oh, okay. Let's see if we can find the tray for this high chair. We had a major diaper blowout, so we're having a midday bath, huh, Lucas? It's terrible. It was a bad one. Yeah, the antibiotics that he's on are causing major disgusting diapers for his pink eye and ear infection, so I've washed way too many clothes and given way too many baths after a diaper blowout these past 5 days. You're killing me. Killing me, mister. Do you hear me?
Jacob's not there, you were right, and Paige was wrong.
You're lucky you're cute. How was school today, bud?
Good.
Good? Let's get back a little bit. Are you gonna eat your snack?
Yeah.
So, what'd you do at school today?
Well, I ate green eggs and ham.
Oh.
Well, that was a minute.
That was just a minute?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Snack.
Snack.
So I have snack first, and then I made a sentence,
Oh, what was your sentence?
and I forget.
Oh, okay.
Because I can really remember a lot of stuff.
Okay.
And
But the green eggs and ham, were they good?
yeah, they were super good. I got a juice pouch with them. And let me see.
It's a intense thinking face. Huh. That's about it? It was good for a Friday?
Well, Friday's a popcorn day, which Paint and them got popcorn. I didn't, because you forgot to get me some money to get it.
Roman, you never eat the popcorn. That's why I don't give you money. Because you buy it and you eat like not a single bite. Oh, yeah, you agree, huh? He never
Only
eats it.
from the school, though. Only the school popcorn. The school popcorn is gooder.
Well, I have let you buy it in the past and you never eat it. So maybe next Friday you can buy popcorn. But it always seems to be a waste.
I'm not sure. But on Friday I have art. And I don't know what else I did.
What do you make in art?
And I made hermit crabs.
Okay. That sounds cool.
And I colored it, and I did it with permanent marker.
Oh, big time. Permanent marker.
But she always lets me use it, and no marks get on the table.
Yeah, somebody wrote on my table with a permanent marker.
Yeah.
It's orange. Permanently. Huh.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. We had a long talk about that, huh?
Yeah. I hope it's all gone now.
It's still there. I don't know. I gotta try to find something to get it off. I don't know.
But some of it's
Yeah. If
gone.
anybody has any ideas on how to remove permanent marker, please let me know. All right. Well, I'm gonna finish getting Lukey washed up.
Yeah.
And guess what tonight is?
What?
You remember what Daddy told you yesterday, Friday night?
No.
At the Y?
What?
Your basketball game.
Oh, yeah.
Parents versus kids basketball game.
Yes.
All right. Are you going to have fun
Yeah.
and try your best?
Yeah.
Okay.
To be daddy like in the T-ball game I had. And that was the best one because I beat him.
You did.
Yeah.
Yep. Fair and square, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Well, you go down and eat your snack, okay?
Okay.
We got the new high chair all set up. I'll show you. Oh, there's Vinny. Huh.
Yeah.
I like it. I like the shape of the tray, don't you, buddy?
Yeah.
It looks nice. Looks pretty good. I like it. All right. It is late, huh?
Yeah.
Can I sit with you for a second?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's sit down. Oh my goodness. Did you see that crazy cat?
Yeah.
You silly, huh?
Love me.
Sit with me. See, we had your basketball game. Was that fun? Yeah, that was fun. And then we had some dinner and ran a few errands. It's been a long, long day. I'm so tired. You tired?
I'm usually a lot nocturnal. Remember when I told you that last time?
You're nocturnal?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like the animals at nighttime. Until a short time when it's almost daytime, I just go to sleep.
Oh, like a nap?
Yeah. So first I'm awake for a little bit on the night and then I go to sleep. But now I don't do that anymore. Because I just like close my eyes and then open them, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Well, just open them for a few minutes and then close them back.
Yeah, when you're trying to fall asleep.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's hard to fall asleep, isn't it?
Because some people are nocturnal. in the least.
You know? Yeah. I think that's called insomnia.
And my sister, she's not as very nocturnal as me. She just goes to sleep a quick time.
Yeah, she falls asleep pretty easily, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Okay.
After a long show, a really long show, she goes to sleep like this.
You're so cute. All right, well, we're going to get our jammies on and go to bed because we're tired, aren't we? Yeah, all right. All right, say, well, we'll see you in our next video.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.
Where you move make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there.